Okay, it's recording right now.
So just do what you do. I'm gonna wait while it
You
turns
should
on.
be like, you need to be professional at this now.
Yeah. Whatever, I haven't even hardly touched it.
You-
I'm gonna not use the pen. The pen, like,
I know.
F you up.
It does. I was like holding the pen.
I realized, like, when I came, that I wore a t-shirt that, like, doesn't show my shorts, so it's kind of like
I'm in that same mood.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
Look back in 3 years and like 10 years.
You'll be like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I know, they're way better. Way better than smartboards.
Chalkboards?
I like the chalkboard.
I know, because you
Or
can
wipe off board.
clean it and wash it. And
Okay.
it's a button.
Oh, is it going already?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, my name is Julie Cornelson, and I'm a student in EDM 310 at the University of South Alabama. Today I'm going to show you some cool things you can do with the smartboard. So the first thing you're going to have to do is press this power button to turn it on, and it does take a few minutes to warm up, so we'll just give it some time. Okay, so now that it's on, we'll go to the Smart Notebook. You have to double click just like on a computer, maybe.
Good start.
Okay, so now that we're in our Smart Notebook, we're going to calibrate. So there are two buttons here on the tray. You're going to press them at the same time. And you're going to calibrate by hitting the target right in the center each time it comes up. Not left-handed. Alright, so now we're ready, and first thing we're going to do is to work with text. So before you use the markers, you have to hit the marker icon up here. You can do it with your finger or the marker. You can write any word, but I'm just going to write my name, Julie. Okay. And if you'll just go back to your mouse, if you click on the name, you can pull this drop-down menu and recognize it so that you can read it legibly. Maybe your handwriting's not the best. The next thing that I'm going to show you how to do is to work with objects. So you can choose different shapes. I'm going to go with a pentagon, I guess, and make them as big or small as you want. Let's make a big one so I can write in it. So maybe your students don't know what shape this is, and you want to ask to see if anyone does. Is this really a pentagon? Yes, it is. All right. And go back to your mouse. Let's recognize this word so that students can read it. Maybe make it smaller. And color in our shape so they can't see the word. Let's make it red. Okay. Then that's not actually good. Let's do a different color. Let's do yellow. Okay. Now we will put the word behind the shape, order, and send to back. So now it's hidden. And I'm going to put an animation onto this pentagon by clicking on the A. Well, it's like an A in a square. Object animation, I want it to maybe fade away and do it at normal speed. So now when I ask my class what shape this is, if someone says pentagon, I can say, absolutely, it's a pentagon. Okay, the next thing I need to teach you guys how to do is to clone. You can clone several ways. Why can't I choose my shapes? There we go. All right. So you can clone one, or you can, oops, draw around your shapes and clone them that way. But probably one of the better ways to do it, that is going. Let's just make a new shape. This time we'll do an octagon. What am I doing wrong?
It's up.
Okay, oh, here we go. All right, infinite cloner. So from here you can drag away and maybe let's make 8 octagons because an octagon has 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you can only pull from that original octagon that you have. You can also add multimedia into your smartboard presentation just by hitting this picture frame up here, interactive and multimedia, and you can add in, let's add in this dice, and we can roll the die for our class, something fun like that. So the last thing that I'm going to show you how to do is to bring something in from the internet. That's always a fun use for a smartboard. So you can just go online and search by pulling up your keyboard, and let's search tulips. I always liked tulips. You can go under your images and choose your favorite one. That one looks good to me. So from here you can actually use the marker to maybe give your students interesting facts, like maybe you want to say that tulips are found in Holland. So from here, you can save this into your presentation by going back to Smart Ink and hitting Capture. Now when you go back to your smartboard or your smart notepad, you've got the full screen even with your writing on it. I think that is everything that I know how to do so far with smartboard. So these are some fun tools that you can use in your classroom. Thank you.
Yeah, we got it done.
I felt like that was really fun. I don't know why it wasn't working.
I know,
I was like, all you do is touch it. It's so simple. Just touch it. Well, yay.
I know I laughed at Emily's, I didn't mean to be mean or laugh at you, but it was part of it. You're trying to-